How we doing, everybody, and welcome back to the Catalyst, where we break down all things bullish in the crypto markets. Today, some exciting news. Polygon is bringing EIP 1559 upgrades to its network. If you're unfamiliar with that, that is essentially what the London hard fork was for Ethereum. So it is a proposal basically to start burning some tokens, which is obviously really awesome. So this took place for Ethereum. It's been in the works for quite some time, but it went officially live on the mainnet on August 5th. And MATIC Polygon announced today that they are, going forward with this and going to do it themselves as well. So basically, the EIP 1559 gets rid of the first price auction as the main mechanism for fee calculation. Instead, there's a discrete base fee for transactions to be included on the next block and priority fee to speed up processing. The base fee, which fluctuates depending on network congestion, is then burned. I believe there's something like $5 billion worth of Ethereum that's been burned since August 5th, since it started. So it's inherently becoming deflationary, especially with Polygon that has a fixed supply of 10 billion. Any reduction of the crypto asset there of those tokens is going to benefit us and act as deflationary. And in a world today where inflation is through the roof, with each month it is getting higher and higher, deflationary assets are getting harder and harder to come by. So something like Polygon that is, even without the deflationary aspect to this, is a very strong asset to hold. Now the fact that it's inherently deflationary, or it will be potentially, is going to be really beneficial as a stakeholder or anyone involved with the asset itself. So that is really exciting to see that. Ultimately, it's going to lead to some more predictable gas fees. Fewer MATIC tokens will be available, obviously, because of the burn and the gas fee curve there. So it'll be similar in effect to Ethereum, but it'll benefit both the validators and the delegators because there'll be the rewards for processing any transaction will be denominated in MATIC, and will decrease some of the congestion on the network. So really exciting. Just the idea that by the day, as soon as this rolls out officially, Polygon will become more rare with each day that goes by. Every Polygon or MATIC token that is burned will then create greater value for the rest of them every single time. So that's really exciting. So let's take a look quickly. So we said August 5th. That's this blue line here. So obviously leading into the hard fork, we had about 2 weeks of some pretty upward growth here. So from the bottom up to here. So yeah, 2 weeks exactly. We had approximately 50% gains from the time after that. So now from this line, Ethereum had started getting burned. So going from here, so even to where we're at now is only actually a 35% gain, but to the high is a 70% gain. And even just shortly after that is another 40% gain there. So let's take a look now. Let's go over to MATIC and see what's going on with us. So just the announcement alone has given us a pretty solid green candle over the last 2 days, actually taking over the big dip from the weekend almost completely. We'll see where this candle ends up. But if we were to go, out and get, let's say we get similar gains, 40% gains are going to put us at $3. 45% gains are going to put us at $3. So if we see something similar, we're going to be hitting previous all-time highs. If we go up as high as 70% gains, it's going to put us at $3.50. All of which is, very nicely lining up with some of the levels we kind of already have in place here. Additionally, that will also kind of match up with these trend lines that we have. So the support is acting quite strong. You see, we came down, we wicked out of it, and now we wicked back into it again to test it once more, and we bounced off of it quite strong. So that's what this is circled here. But just the idea that it is deflationary is a huge boost to MATIC overall. and I'm very, very excited for what else they have to bring forward for Polygon here. Going forward, this is going to be potentially huge. If you weren't already bullish on MATIC, this is certainly a good reason to be. We're seeing some great bouncing off of that. We're up 5% on the day so far, so basically in the last couple hours from me posting this right now. So we'll see what it's like over the next couple weeks up until the official release. I don't believe there's an exact timeline yet. I believe it's getting pushed onto their test net first, and then obviously we'll go to the main net. So I'll keep you guys updated as I get more information on that. But let me know what you guys think about this new deflationary asset that we have here in MATIC, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.